Today I'll show you guys how you guys can change your team and name logo on eFootball. So it's pretty simple. After you open eFootball, you want to click on game plan at the bottom. Now from inside game plan, you want to click on your team's logo at the side of your screen on the left side. Once you click on your team's logo, you can see the option called base team setting. Click on base team setting. From inside over here where it says edit team name, click on edit team name. Now from over here you can remove the current name and enter a new name. So I'm going to name this YouTube FC. So this is going to be a new club name called YouTube FC. It's a custom name I gave them. I can click on OK and the name will be changed. Now if I want to change the logo, the only way to change the logo is by clicking on base team and choosing another team. So I can go into any league I want. So I'm going to go in South American League. I will choose American League and I will choose a random team. Click on done. Once I choose a random team, the team's logo will be changed, and over here my name is going to be YouTube FC. Now I can go back, and as you guys can see, my team's logo is different now and the name is also different. So that is how you guys can change your team's name and logo on eFootball. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.